doesn't love to surrender to the sweet temptations of mangoes? Mangoes are juicy, they are so fragrant that they attract you towards them. They are the nature's candies, and anything natural is always good for you. Mangoes are in the season, and so is this controversial question also in the season, whether diabetics should consume mangoes or not. In this video, we all will be discussing about this question only. Please watch the video till the end. Do not skip it. Watch it till the end, and if you like it, do share with your loved ones who are suffering with this diabetes. Mangoes, or Mangifera indica as it's called in botany, we have been taught in agriculture that we have around 1500 varieties of mangoes in India. Can you imagine 1500 varieties and more than this? And amongst them, every one is delectable, scrumptious. Let's now discuss about the nutritional facts of the mangoes. If you consume 100 grams of mangoes, that means you are getting 74 calories and only 17 grams of carbohydrates. Mangoes are rich in so many good qualities. Mangoes are rich in minerals. Mangoes are rich in the water content. They are rich in fiber also. Mangoes are rich in beta carotene. Beta carotene gets converted into vitamin A in our body, which is good for your eyes, skin, hair. It helps in preventing the night blindness in children. The good news about the mangoes is that its glycemic index is ranging between 40 to 60, depending upon the sweetness of the mangoes. But the better news is that it has low glycemic load. That means it will not raise your glucose levels abruptly. Being high in water content, it will act as an electrolyte because it's full of minerals and other antioxidants. It's high in vitamin C also, good for heart health, good for skin, good for hair, as discussed in the video earlier. In this video, I'll tell you about how you can eat mangoes if you are having diabetes. Please watch the video till the end. I will show you 2 to 3 different ways in which you can decrease the glycemic index of the mangoes by mixing it with other ingredients and just consuming it the way I will show you in the videos. In today's world, we know how mangoes are ripened, how they are injected with the hormones and all, how fertilizers are used. I request all of you, whenever you purchase mangoes, do not go for those shiny, lustrous mangoes. Go for the normal looking mangoes, and when you bring mangoes at home, make it a habit of soaking the mangoes for at least 1 hour. Mangoes should be soaked for at least 1 hour so that it gets rid of those carbides and other things which may have been used by the growers. Soaking mangoes is also very important in reducing the heating effects of mangoes on our body. It also helps in eliminating phytic acid, which is considered to be an anti-nutrient, and all the other phytochemicals. The blueberries or the jamun are also soaked for the same reason. Soak them also for half an hour to remove all the dirt and dust and other phytochemicals in it. Here I have taken some mangoes and I have combined them with jamun. Jamun is known for controlling your blood sugar levels. So the combination of mangoes with the jamun, ya Indian blueberries, is a great combination together. Sprinkle some pumpkin seeds or any other seeds you have at hand and enjoy this bowl as a dinner, as a breakfast, or a mid-evening snack or mid-morning snack. Mangoes are good probiotics. When we combine it with yogurt, yogurt is also a very good probiotic. So both the things, when they combine together, they are excellent for your intestine health. It will help you in curing digestive tract diseases, the digestive problems. The recipe which we are going to make today is mango smoothie, but not with the milk. Many of you must be lactose intolerant, but the lactic acid in the yogurt helps in good gut health. Let's combine 1 cup of yogurt with 1 cup of diced mangoes. Just give it a churn in your blender and have it. You can call it mango lassi. This is my personal favorite breakfast recipe in the mango season. You just need to mix the 2 ingredients, then put it in a tall glass and sit in your balcony and enjoy this meal sip by sip, and take time to have this. As I always say, chew your drinks so that saliva gets mixed into it and it eases the digestion process. Having a cup of mango smoothie is much better than your cup of tea. Cup of tea will not help you, but this mango smoothie will help you. It will keep you fuller for longer, it will keep you satiated, it will keep you hydrated, while as a cup of tea will dehydrate you. The second way of including mangoes in your diet is, I have shared the oats recipe. In that oats recipe, I will share the link in the description box. In that oats recipe, you can dice the mangoes and have that in your breakfast or in your early dinner. By cutting the mangoes into cubes will increase the surface area of the thing, and it will also decrease the glycemic index when it gets mixed with other things. My another personal favorite pudding is mango chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are great source of fiber. They help you to keep fuller for longer, and they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and they are good for your heart health, good for diabetes, because they are loaded with soluble fibers. They soak a lot of water and convert themselves into a gel. That means they are rich in soluble fibers. If you have mango pudding like this, layer the glass with chia seeds and then mango mixed with the curds, and see a beautiful presentation, and garnish it with some mint leaves. You will see, you will love. You can take it as a dessert, but make sure that you do not take it immediately after your dinner or lunch. Portion control can miraculously help you reverse the diseases, and having mangoes and the seasonal fruits will provide you all the nutrients, and it will make you energetic. Remember, if any of your parents are having diabetes, if they are diabetic, you have already carried those genes. So on one path of the life or other, you too will be stuck in this disease. But how you can control it, how you can save yourself, the regular practice of yoga, regular practice of pranayam, asanas, certain yoga asanas will help you a lot. I have a personal experience of Mandook asana for diabetes. If you are diabetic, please practice Mandook asana. Holding your position in any asanas is very important. So I request all of you, start with 2 minutes and then hold your position for 10 whole minutes. Stimulate your pancreas so that they secrete good amounts of insulin, and help you in reversing or combating the disease. If you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing the channel, which will help me reaching more people. And thank you so much for this support and encouragement. Thank you so much for being there in this journey called health.